This one is finished. This is the new one I'm currently using. That's how good it is. This is the real deal. You see this thing right here? You see this thing right here? Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So if it's your first time seeing this face, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Jathio and you're welcome to today's video. So today's video, without wasting your time, let's just get right into the video. The complete glow kit for caramel skin, chocolate dark skin. Then this video is for you. I'll first of all advise that you do away with your all those bleaching, all those lightening cream you're using. It's still not going to help you. It's not going to give you that effect, that glow that you want for your skin. You're always going to be having issues with your skin every time you be watching videos on YouTube, like watching videos on YouTube looking for how to heal your skin, not knowing that you are the cause of your problem. These are the things that I am using that has been working for me. It has really evened my skin too. So I'm going to be giving you guys soap, lotion and oil. So these are the things that I use. The soap I use is Cottage Fresh soap. I'm going to insert the picture here. I've said so many things about Cottage Fresh on this channel. It's what I use and it's working for me. It has been working for me, and I'm not going to say you must use it. You can give it a try if you want to give it a try. What works for me might not necessarily work for you, and it can also work for you. So it just depends on your skin type. So I would recommend that you use Cottage Fresh, okay, but I will also advise that you do not use a bleaching cream, okay. Cottage Fresh already has its own lightening effect in it. It's a black soap, by the way. If you want to use a body wash, I would recommend that you use Dove. They have like wide ranges of body washes that that will do good for your skin, that will give you that effect that you want. Then that one I would recommend, it's St. Ives palm olive. There are so many body washes out there in the market. I do not use a body wash. I use a black soap. I prefer black soaps. If you use Cottage Fresh and it's not working for you, maybe it's giving you this tingling effect, it's drying your skin. By the way, if you're a dry skin person, please do not use Cottage Fresh. If you're combination skin, normal skin and oily skin, yeah, you should use black soaps, okay, because black soaps tends to dry the skin, like over dry the skin. So if you already have a dry skin, girl, do not use that, okay. So for my body lotion, I use Nivea Perfect and Radiant. That's what I use for my body. This one is finished now. This one is finished. This is the new one I'm currently using. That's how good it is. This is the real deal. You see this thing right here? You see this thing right here? It's going to even out your skin. Like you'll be walking and people will be asking you, what kind of cream do you use? When you now tell them that I use Nivea, somebody once told me that how can you say you use Nivea? Nivea does not brighten the skin. And I'm like, you should never use a cream that will lighten your body. You do not want to have uneven skin too, okay. So you want to have, like, you want your skin, your face, your body to have the same color, okay. You do not want to have, like, you just be there, you're using all this Caro white, all these things that had Josie white, Black Mary white, everything that has white and lightning. You are reaching out for them. When you get to the skincare counter, the first cream that you look for is Joshua white, Mary and Dark white, Make Me White in 7 days, Make You White in 2 weeks. That's what your hand is reaching out for. And then you come on YouTube and be looking for how to get rid of dark knuckles. And see, even if you get the solution of how to get rid of dark knuckles, you're going to be damaging your skin. That's just going to be like a video for another day. This one is sold for 1,000 something. This one, I got this one for 2,400, 2,399.99 naira. Like, so it's 3,000, 2,400. Some shops they sell it for 2,500, some 2,600, depending on where you are buying from. I bought this one from ShopRite. So if you do not like Nivea, the other body lotion I will recommend for you, it's Vaseline soap body lotion Which other body lotion? Yes, Dove body lotion is also good. You can try both Dove body lotion. I'm going to start the one I use. I've used one of Dove body lotion. Then for the body oils, I would recommend that I've used I do not have it here right now. I'm going to start the picture here. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm going to put it the picture here. I've used the carrot one, and I liked the way it worked for my skin. The reason why I stopped using that body oil, it was making my knuckles dark. It was darkening my knuckles. And I also researched, and I discovered that carrot oil is not really nice for chocolate, caramel, and dark skin. Okay, so there are oil that are good for our kind of skin. Coconut oil, almond oil, those are the kind of oils that are good for us. That I'm using now is this bow oil. Is this one bow oil? This is what I am using now on my skin. I just got this one. Like, this is what I am using now. I'm going to give you guys a review on this body oil. These three, this one is sold for 2,000. This one is sold for, this smaller one is sold for 1,500. Then the bigger one is sold for 2,399 naira. Then this one is sold for 3,000 something. So with this, girl, you are good to go. You just be glowing. People will just be asking you, just like, what do you use? It will just maintain your skin color. It's just going to maintain your skin tone. It's just going to maintain your caramel skin, your chocolate skin, and all your dark skin. You do not have to bleach your skin, please. We are all beautiful in our own skin type, in our own skin color, in our own skin tone. Okay, we are all beautiful in our different shades of color. You just have to maintain it. You just have to take good care of it. And also want to add sunscreen to your skincare. I started using skincare. For example, I'm going out. What I'm wearing now is just a blue camisole. So what I would do if I was going out, if I was leaving the house, I would just take this and rub on the part of my body that is exposed. I will just take this and rub there, because you don't want to go outside exposing your skin to sun. It's going to cause, that's why you see some people, their face is lighter, then their neck is dark, part of their body is dark. They take care of their face, then they neglect the other part of their body, which is not supposed to be so. So if you are applying your sunscreen on your face, extend it down to your neck, your chest. If your chest is going to be exposed, extend it down to your arm, and even your legs, the part of your body that will be exposed. Okay, and with this, I'll see you guys in my next one, and until then, bye.